Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A notional pinnacle of ultra-luxury recreational vehicles, the 2026 Prevost Millennium VIP Motorhome goes beyond the traditional idea of a motorhome and genuinely embodies a billionaire's home on wheels. This envisioned vehicle would be the ultimate in mobile luxury and custom living, built on the storied Prevost bus chassis, which is known for its unmatched longevity, smooth ride, and many modification possibilities. The 2026 Prevost Millennium VIP Motorhome's exterior would radiate a subtle yet unmistakable grandeur. The Prevost Intercity coach's imposing shape would be preserved, but each surface would be painstakingly designed and completed to show car standards. Deep, glossy finishes with multi-stage procedures would probably be used for the paintwork, which might also include bespoke colors or even delicate pearlescent effects. The vehicle's clean shape would be preserved while providing wide vistas through large, seamless panoramic windows, perhaps with the help of smart glass technology for quick seclusion or dimming. Large capacity would be provided without sacrificing aesthetics thanks to integrated, concealed storage spaces that would mix in well with the design. At night, the outside would be softly lit by ambient lighting, giving it a warm, elegant appearance. Entering the Prevost Millennium VIP Motorhome would instantly transport one to an opulent realm of custom-built luxury. In every way, the billionaire's home on wheels status would be apparent. The interior architecture would be entirely unique, created to the owner's precise specifications and aesthetic tastes. The finest materials would be used, including hand-stitched Italian leather, exotic hardwood veneers, countertops made of polished natural stone, and metal embellishments that were specially made. The flooring might be anything from deep pile, custom-woven carpets to imported marble. It would be set up like a real penthouse residence. Luxurious, custom-upholstered seats and a cutting-edge entertainment system with retractable HD screens and high-end sound would be features of a large salon that is roomy enough to host guests. With full-sized integrated appliances, a wine cooler, and enough of counter space, a professional-grade kitchen would equal one found in a fixed house. With a king-sized bed, plenty of closet space, and an en-suite bathroom with luxurious finishes and a full-sized shower or perhaps a jacuzzi, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. It would be easy to add more guest rooms or specialty spaces like a gym, a private office, or even a small movie theater. The integration of technology would be thorough and user-friendly. Lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and communication would all be managed by an advanced smart home automation system that could be operated with voice commands or touchscreens. Continuous connectivity and privacy would be guaranteed by high-speed satellite internet, cutting-edge cellular boosters, and extensive cybersecurity protections. The vehicle would probably have sophisticated water and air filtering systems, as well as redundant power systems with large battery banks and silent generators, guaranteeing total off-grid self-sufficiency for lengthy periods of time. The inherent strength of the Prevost chassis, which is well known for its air-riding suspension that provides an incredibly quiet and smooth ride, even at highway speeds, would support this mobile mansion. Extensive soundproofing would further improve its peacefulness. No matter where in the globe its owner wished to travel, the 2026 Prevost Millennium VIP Motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a private, mobile luxury estate built to offer an unmatched degree of comfort, protection, and exclusivity.